Google is searching for a better morning on Wall Street. Its stock price fell nearly 6% Wednesday after the market closed.
That came after Google reported a 19% increase in revenue. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's going on with Google and what does it indicate?
Well, I think specifically with Google, they're really trying to make this transformation to the mobile market. We know that most of us are actually accessing the internet through our mobile devices, but the ads are smaller and you get paid less for clicking on those ads. That hurt Google this quarter. I also want to point out it's one quarter. The stock is really doing phenomenally well. The company continues to make interesting acquisitions. So this is just one moment in time. Stock was down 6%, as you said, after hours yesterday. It's only down 2.5% this morning. But it could have also been caught up in a little bit of a tech downdraft.
Okay, so what about that? What about this tech downdraft?
You know, since the end of February, beginning of March, there has been a slow and steady selling of some of the biggest high-flying technology stocks that we saw last year. So we're talking about those biotech stocks. It's really basically anything that your cousin says he made a lot of money on that you didn't own. So it's the biotechs, it's the social media stocks, it's the internet stocks that were up 50, 60, 70%.
So it's a bit of profit taking.
It is some profit taking. Some people suggesting perhaps even for tax purposes, people selling off. The NASDAQ actually went into correction territory earlier this week, down 10% from the recent peak. It recovered, but we've seen those subsectors, the biotech, the social media stocks, they're actually in bear market territory, down over 20% from their recent tops.
And what about predictions for the market overall?
It's been a long time since the broad market, the S&P 500, has gone through a correction. We almost got there in 2012, but we have to go back to 2011 in the summer, where we would see a pullback of 10% from the recent peak. So some people are getting a little nervous. They're saying things could be getting a bit stretched here with the Federal Reserve changing its policy. Companies could have a harder time making money, and investors will have different choices to make. Right now, we're seeing a more defensive push into the stock market. Overall, real people, don't sweat it. You're a long-term investor. Stay diversified. You'll be fine.
Thank you, Jill.
Great
Good to see you.